So previously we talked about octet expansion. Now we'll be starting with what is dative covalent bonding. हम इसी discuss भी की थी. It's different. It's not a transfer of electron, ना ही sharing. ये होता है only if there are two atoms bonding together. One of them is going to give bonds and one of them is going to give both the electrons. ठीक है. अब कभी हमेशा bonding कैसे होती है? Via pair. And pair का मतलब क्या होता है? One electron comes from one atom and the other one comes from the other atom. But over here it's a different case. Both the electrons come from a single atom. वो आपके पास क्या होता है dative bond. In simple covalent bond, two atoms involved share electrons. Some molecules have a lone pair of electrons that can be donated to form a bond with an electron deficient atom. An electron deficient atom is an atom that has an unfilled outer orbital. So both electrons are from the same atom. This type of bonding is called dative covalent bonding or coordinate bonding. An example with a dative bond is in an ammonium ion. The hydrogen ion H plus is electron deficient and has space for two electrons in its shell. The nitrogen atom in ammonia has a lone pair of electrons which it can donate to the hydrogen ion to form a dative covalent bond. तो NH3 और NH4 plus में भी ऐसी ही आपके पास bonding हो रही होती है. Look at this. The nitrogen atom of the ammonia has a lone pair of electrons after bonding with three hydrogen atoms. ये आपके पास NH3 का molecule. This is your NH3. अब क्या होगा? How to form an ammonium ion? Another hydrogen can come and both of these electrons would be given by nitrogen to hydrogen. So the lone pair can be shared with a proton to form an ammonium ion, and this is how an ammonium ion is formed, as both of the electrons are given by nitrogen to the hydrogen atom. Ammonia can donate a lone pair to an electron deficient proton to form a charged ammonium ion. Aluminium chloride is also formed using dative covalent bonding, and at high temperatures, aluminium chloride can also exist as a monomer. AlCl3 में भी आपके पास यही mechanism follow होता है. उसके बाद वो Al2Cl6 भी बन सकता है. The molecule is electron deficient and needs two electrons to complete the aluminium's outer shell. So hence क्या होता है? The two molecules of AlCl3 join together to form a dimer जिसको हम कहते हैं Al2Cl6. The molecules combine because the lone pairs of electrons of the two chlorine atoms form two coordinate bonds with the aluminium atom, something like this. ये दो AlCl3 के molecule हैं. This is also an AlCl3. This is also an AlCl3 and they have combined together to form Al2Cl6. कैसे? Bonding basically chlorine and aluminium के दरमियान हो रही है. Chlorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell. 6 of those electrons are lone pairs, whereas aluminium has 3 electrons in its outer shell and it requires 5 more electrons to complete its octet. तो होगा क्या? यहाँ पे if you can see, chlorine is going to give both of its electrons to aluminium. और इधर भी chlorine is going to give both of its electrons to aluminium. तो पूरा पूरा पेयर आपके पास शेयर हो रहा है. तो जो chlorine, if chlorine is giving the pair to aluminium, तो arrowhead would be towards aluminium. Arrows to show both electrons are donated by the chlorine atom and aluminum chloride dimer. Dimer क्या होता है? जो आपको same एक जैसे element दो same molecules combine करते हैं which are same is known as a dimer is formed using two dative covalent bonds. This is more stable than AlCl3. Al2Cl6 aluminum chloride is more stable than AlCl3 जब वो non-dimer form में होता है.